Hello, this is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. So, in this weekend, I'm just doing something and I found out something in my router. As you can see here, the MTU size that I found out it is 1492. But as we all know, the ideal MTU size should be 1500. Okay, so it should be like 1500. Let me just type it over here so it will be easy. But in my case, it is showing like 1592. 1492. Mean 8-bit is missing. Then why 8-bit is missing? And ideally in 1500 MTU, when we specify like we have a 1500 MTU, then ideally like 1460 is a data payload, the data of the size that you can um, put into a packet. And later on we have like a 40 header. In the 40 header we have like the destination IP, the sequence ID, and the the the, the source IP. So we have all those things. So after digging into this issue and digging into things like why in my router it is showing like 4092 as my MTU, I found out with this concept. This is triple PoE. So what exactly triple PoE? Triple PoE uh, is point to point over Ethernet. So basically what it will allow us, we can come like using triple PoE protocol, we can communicate with the internet. So what happens whenever we are just buying a subscription uh, from from the service provider. In my case, I'm just bought a subscription for Airtel. So what they basically do, they give us a device. Okay, here it is mentioned only the modem and triple PPO client, but in this device itself we have the switches, we have the DSCP, we have the other various component as well. But for this video demonstration purpose, I only mentioned the modem and the triple PoE client. Okay, so what happened whenever let's suppose we are at the host one, we communicate with the triple OE client. It added as frame, or like it's added the extra 8-bit header over our existing like 1492 frame. So we have that 8-bit missing. So that 8-bit is nothing but triple PoE header, where like the triple PoE header is like 6-bit, and two like the remaining 2 byte is the triple PoE protocol ID that is associated with it. So that whole packet went to the modem, then it went to the DSLM, and then it went to the PoE server. Then the request goes to the internet. Then again, once the internet receive that request, it just revert back to the host A. So what exactly the DSLM is? DSLM is a digital subscriber line access multiplexer. So you guys will know what exactly it is. So uh, in case of Airtel, like in my case, I have a provider name as Airtel. So Airtel, I'm not the only subscriber. In my whole locality, there are multiple broadband users. So there should be a way where all this subscription should be monetized, or all the bandwidth that we are using, it should be monetized. How exactly those things will be monetized? It everything is like the subscription thing, or the subscription bandwidth can be communicate and can be verified using the DSLM. The extra triple PoE header will ensure that uh, that we are we like whenever we recharging a subscription, we have a certain bandwidth that you can use this much of data for this much of time. And all these things, like these things should be monitored. So all these things should be monitored using the triple PoE thing. And also we like the network provider that we have, or the service that we are using, they also have a subscription model. Like you have a plan for like 400 MB, 500 MB, 1 Gbps, 100 MB, 50 GB, 50 MB. So all these things should be monitored. Like if let's suppose we are directly connected to the internet, we can access n number of bandwidth. But as we have the pack, so that the reason we are getting that much amount of data, or that much amount of bandwidth that we can use. So all these things can be done using the triple PoE. So that the reason later on, like in the conclusion of this video, that the reason we can conclude in our router we have this thing, and using like we have triple PoE. That the reason we have the less MTU size, like the standard the 1500 MTU. But in ideal case we have the 4092 MTU size, and the 8-bit is there. So in the 8-bit, like the 6 byte is the triple PoE header, and the remaining 2-bit is the a triple P ID so that all the packet can be synchronized. So I hope you like this quick video. If you have any suggestion or if you have anything else that need to be added, just let me know by the comment. I will more than happy to address those further. Going ahead, I will just also create an article on my website and that will be available in the description. You can go ahead and have a look. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Have a great day. We'll catch up in the next one. Till then, peace.